MULE, we're very fortunate to be known for our builds that have been shipped across the world for different adventures, but we also can cater to the daily driver truck to accommodate campers, be a little bit more capable off-road. So what we wanted to showcase with our F-150 is what we call a OEM Plus build. We want it to be a little bit more capable than it is driven off the lot, so that it can go to more of those forest roads, a little bit more technical trails, but also be able to accommodate a camper in the back. So let's go ahead and dive into what we did to this F-150. Okay, starting from the ground up, we're gonna start with tires. One of the easiest things you can do to any of your vehicles is get a better tire on it. One of the biggest things with factory tires is it's gonna be a bare minimum tire just to get the thing down the road. So with this F-150, we went with the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT. This is a 3-peak rated tire. It's gonna give us better off-road performance. It's gonna go down the road quietly, a little bit quieter than like your MT, but it also has that 3-peak rating. So this one's gonna be great in the snow and those winter weather conditions, especially in the Pacific Northwest. With this truck package, it was optioned with a 20-inch wheel. With that being said, we wanted to go down in size so that we could have more tire. We upgraded the tire size, but we wanted to go down in rim size so that we have a little bit more meat on there. So when we air down, when we're off-road, we get a more comfortable ride. So we went with the 18-inch Method wheel to complement the Mickey Thompson tire. Going from there, to get a better ride, we went to the TerraFlex suspension. We did a very simple TerraFlex suspension on this to achieve two things: better ride and for it to sit just a little bit higher when we're off-road. We also optioned this truck with Firestone Ride Right airbags because we knew we were going to put a camper in the back. With those airbags, we have the ability to fill them when the camper goes in and deflate them when the camper comes out, which is going to give us that on and off-road performance, but also going to not sacrifice that ride when the camper comes out because we'll take the air out of those bags when the camper pulls out. From here, let's move on to the highlight of this build, and that is the slide-in Hawk from 4-Wheel Campers. All right, so diving into the 4-Wheel Camper Hawk model, this is going to fit your full-size truck that has a 6-foot bed. So that's your F-150s, Tundras, Super Duties, all that style of truck. This one on this side over here has the amenity of a exterior shower, ambient lighting on the side, and under camper lights that are going to give you more ambient light when you're at camp when it starts getting to be dark outside. On the back side of the truck, there is a 2-bottle propane locker on the back to make it convenient to haul propane for your stovetop, for your interior heater. That's all going to run through that cabinet. Then on the passenger side, you're going to have your Starlink port, dual USB port for charging accessories on the exterior, as well with a AC plug-in port for when you're plugged into shore charge, be at home or at the campground. From there, let's move on into the interior of this camper. Welcome to the comfortable interior of this 4-wheel camper. This one is optioned out with the side dinette, so you can seat 2 adults very comfortably right here. It has a very comfortable, spacious king-size bed, a sink, 2-burner stove, fridge system, 2 max air fans for pushing and pulling air, and optimal storage. If you're looking to build out your truck or your camper to your specific needs, reach out to our 3 locations, Arizona, Washington, and Oregon, and our sales team will be happy to help spec out any kind of configuration that fits your needs. We look forward to hearing from you.